Open-source Bluetooth eSIM card reader switch by plan, Android and iOS. You can download the instructions for the reader from the link in the comment under the video. Bluetooth reader from switch by plan B is connected for power supply via USB-C. We use another smartphone as a power bank. After turning on the power supply, after a few seconds the indicator will light up red. It is obvious that the reader from switch by plan B will easily work with eSIM adapters from Switch Card Pro, Switch Card Max. Therefore, we will complicate the task and will use the eSIM adapter from 5BER. After installing the card, the indicator will light up green. If you do not want to use improvised means to push the card into the slot, the top cover of the reader is easily removed, exposing the board and the slot. Then you can easily insert it with your fingers. Archaeologists found this iPhone and installed the eSIMmanager application on it. Launch it. We launch it and connect the reader via Bluetooth. When the reader is connected via Bluetooth, its indicator lights up blue, and using the eSIMmanager application we can view the list of installed eSIM profiles, activate the desired one, download a new one, delete the old one. In the eSIMmanager menu, select Scan, and download the test eSIM. The attempt was unsuccessful. This means that the eSIMmanager application from the Apple Store does not have the necessary certificate keys for the 5BER card. That is, you can read 5BER cards, activate the desired profile, but you will not be able to download new profiles in this version of the application. Now we use the nano-SIM eSIMAdapter. It is open source. That is, it is not closed for editing only by the manufacturer's own application, and it can be edited by any third-party applications. The key is open. Loading the test eSIM into the nano-SIM eSIMAdapter. Loading the test eSIM will be successful. To summarize, reader from switch by plan B via the eSIMmanager app works with eSIM adapters from Switch Card Pro, Switch Card Max. Works with eSIM adapters with an open source key, such as nano-SIM. In adapters 5BER can switch loaded eSIMs. Power can be supplied to the reader from the same smartphone from which you launch Bluetooth. In this case, you would get such a tail of adapters. We recommend watching other videos on the channel. Gentlemen, in my opinion, this is a like.
Ну, господа, по-моему, это лайк, господа.
Лайк и репост, господа.